Hi there, I'm Mikki Ramey, broker and owner of Healthy Realty. Today, we're going to talk about your Zestimate and why it might be wrong. Keep watching to learn why. So the first reason your Zestimate might be wrong is that Zillow has never been into your home. Your home is unique to you, your family. It's a beautiful space where you have kept it nicely or you've let it go. Zillow doesn't know those things. I think you truly need to have a real estate agent come into your home and look at those special things, the way you've maintained your property, the way that you've designed it, the way your decor allows for an open, inviting feel. Those small nuances are going to have a drastic impact on the value of your home. And the next reason your Zestimate might be wrong is that it uses general algorithms and hasn't looked at off-market details. In markets like the Charleston market, many homes are sold off-market, and real estate agents are able to do research to find out those properties and how they could impact the value of your home should you decide to list this year. And the final reason that your Zestimate might be wrong is due to timing. Some things sell very quickly in our market now, and agents often have to make phone calls and find out current market values and sales. And the reporting can lag behind what is actually occurring in the market. In a fast-paced, quick market, even in a slow market, timing is everything. You need someone who's going to research the current sales, whether they're on market or off, and when those sales are occurring. After hearing all this, if you do think your Zestimate is wrong, I would love to help. Over the last 20 years, I've been working in the real estate market in Charleston. I understand home values very well. And the most important way to find out what the current value of your home is to have a real estate professional come and meet with you in person. I would love to do this. Our estimates are free. So if you think this would be of value to you, reach out to me. I'd love to give you a free home valuation so you can find out the real value of your home in today's current market. Thank you for taking time to watch today. Have a great week.